you're doing this, whether you're doing it on catch-up or you're just doing total fitness, the total opposite there of total fitness. We're just relaxing, mobilising each joint over half an hour. We're on day 3 of our 7-day cycle, which means it's 2-minute stretches, still very, very long. Okay, we're doing 12 of those. Okay, remember you do your version. Don't worry if you don't look like me or the person next to you, as long as you move in the right direction. Don't feel forced to hold it for the whole 2 minutes. Come in and out, relax. You're not here to get yourself through now. It isn't like total fitness. You're here to just relax and mobilise those joints. Mild discomfort is fine. Anything above what you consider mild discomfort, then just stop, take a breath, and have another go. Okay? Just take time. So it's so much for this, it's just little incremental improvements over time. Over the 2 minutes that you're down there, great. If you can get an extra millimetre in that stretch, brilliant. Okay, and then over the days, months, weeks, years, then you start to see huge improvements. Not just when you're in here, when you're in the gym, but also everyday life, sitting down, getting up, putting your socks on in the morning, walking down the road. Everything becomes easier, honestly, take it from me. Anyway, so let's start today. We can start up and work our way down, and then finally to the wall. So we're doing some free shoulder rolls today, so we're just going to be reaching up as high as you can, keeping your arms close to the head as you go, just back, close to the hips as you come down. Big breath in as your arms raise. So 2 minutes we're doing here. Keep facing forward, chin tucked in. Imagine your spine is a nice straight line. Top of your head rising to the ceiling. Breathe out as your arms come down. Big breath in as you come up. Reach as high as you can. Breathe out as you come down. Rotation. Now these are quite tough to hold for 2 minutes. They stretch the body in multiple areas. So again, if you need to come in and out, that's absolutely fine. So left hand to right leg, and then keeping your legs straight, reach down as far as you can. Okay, you can get all the way down, great, but don't worry if not. And then you open up this side towards the wall, and breathe and relax as much as you can. exercise. So right hand on left leg. Keep the legs straight. Move the hands down as far as you can. And then open up that palm. Places, getting stretched, mobilised here, hips, spine, shoulders, hamstrings. The minutes. Last one, so our feet is our wide forward bend. We go down to the ground. So, edge your feet out as wide as you can. Again, this is all individual. Everybody's going to be different. When you feel like you've reached that full stretch, fall forward onto the hands or the elbows if possible. Equally, if your hands don't reach, just go as far as you can. Slowly improve on this. Okay, and again, you can get an extra millimetre during this 2 minutes, but then you progress it. If you rock forward gently, you can usually get a little bit of extra distance between the feet, and then rock back to feel the full stretch. Remember, keep in mind, try to relax those muscles. Get that, imagine them in your head, lengthening, relax. Let your body go. It's 30 seconds. Okay, so now to all fours then. Do a prone lunge each side now. So from this tabletop position, bring your foot to the side of your hand, to the outside, slide that knee back. And what you're trying to do is take this curve out of your spine. Okay, so to do that, you're going to drop your hips in deep, raise your head and chest. Okay, and finally, externally rotate this hip by taking the edge, coming onto the edge of this foot, so the sole of your foot is off the floor. You're rotating that knee outwards. And that will allow you to get even more depth in this hip. So this is what you're trying to achieve, this shape, rather than this. Okay, this is what you want. Opening the hips up. left foot by side of the left hand, align the shin and forearm, slide that knee back, and then take that curve away. Hips down, shoulders up. Head and chest high, hips low. And then finally, externally rotate. That hip to your knees pointing out. Okay? Even if it's a little bit. Feel a pinch in your lower back, that's totally normal. That's the tendons of your hip flexors that run through the body, they attach around the knee, they come straight through inside your body and attach to the bottom of your spine. And they are responsible for folding your body in half, like when you're sitting, driving on computers, eating, watching Netflix, which is why your back won't like it. Because it likes that position.
It likes Netflix.
Yeah, you're going to try and reverse it. Okay, slowly ease off. Into the nice relaxing child's pose now. This is a nice one, 2 minutes. Big toes touching. Put some width between the knees. Sit back on your heels. Reach forward with your hands and drop your head to the floor first. Just get as low as you can. Big deep breaths. Open the ribcage, big breaths. Now transfer the downward dog. So from this push-up position, push the hips up into the air, push your chest through your arms, and your heels into the ground. Try to eventually get these nice slow, as straight lines as you can, from your hip to your hand and your hip to your heel. Breathe deep. Front of the mat to the knees. One of our last three stretches now. Full hip extension. Okay, which can be anything. From this, just sit on your heels. Okay, and just stretching them around the top of the knees and the quads. Okay, you can lean back a bit. Brilliant. Okay, you're stretching those quads even more there, getting into the hips is key. Okay, then a bit more. Okay, I'm not talking right now. You can do that over the weeks, or you can do that, it's up to you, depends how flexible you are. Eventually, you're going all the way down. But it takes time and practice, unless you're naturally very, very mobile, or you've kept that ability. Try to breathe. Butterfly stretch. Soles of your feet together. Okay, bring the heels in. As tight as you can. Use your elbows then to brace the knees apart. Try and get them as close to the floor as you can, while simultaneously keeping your heels in as tight as you can. And maintain the nice straight spine if you can. Those three things. You just get as near as you can. effort. Okay, you shouldn't be sweating with this, it's just gentle push. Last thing we do then, to the wall then now, complete relaxation, put your legs at the wall for 5 minutes, arms back, switch off, and relax. Okay. Relax, switch off, melt into the ground. Tuck the chin in. Breathe deep. Just let gravity do its thing and just pull you down. Just relax. Every single muscle. stretch back with the arms, coupled with a big breath in. And bring yourself back when you're ready. Reset, rebooting. Look at the day. I'm ready for the Total Fitness tomorrow. I know we've got the ordeal on Friday. If you want a real challenge, so hopefully see you for that. Well done everyone at home. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. See you soon.